What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's definitely gonna talk to you back in your and what?
Jeremiah Gibson.
Okay, right now.
Okay,
right now we have to be quiet because we about to do a prank on my mom, my brother, and the twins and the baby. So we have our bikes. Hold on. We have our bikes right here, so we can get ready to go. Yeah, I'm about to get on my bike. He's right there. I'm going. Yo, my. Oh, get out. Yo, we out here. We out here, bruh. Okay, we just now knocked, y'all. We just now knocked, y'all.
I think just see me.
He seen you?
I think.
Where's that?
Okay, this is a prank.
Huh?
This is a prank. So Juicy seen me, I think. Cause when I ran, I think he seen me.
Bruh.
Oh! Hey! Can I ride it? Can I ride it? What is it?
I don't know. But that was loud though, like, good.
Okay. Okay, I forgot you got to post it.
Okay.
Yeah. He said no. Oh, dude, I'm not off the bike.
Let's go, y'all.
Hey. Hey. Alright. Then we gotta knock on the back door.
Oh, when we knock
It's
on
your
the,
turn to knock on the back door.
when I knock on the back door, I'm going straight in the backyard, y'all.
I'm not on the back door, I'm going straight on the side. But they can see us.
No, they can't.
Yes, they can. No, you knock on the back door, I knock on the front door. Cause that's the easy way to do it. Oh, that's why they said I'm doing a triple job on it. How you doing? I want to put you in the video.
Yo,
That's our mom.
they smell, that how you smell good when they cook, bruh.
I wanted some chicken from him.
He gave it to you?
It was like something.
Oh.
He was okay, bro. Me and his wife felt ready.
Ooh, bad lighting. But yeah, we about to go do this, y'all.
Please comment down below.
What?
Comment down below. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and comment down below.
Comment down below for it.
Follow me on TikTok.
Talk louder.
Subscribe at Jeremiah Gibson.
You said describe. You mean subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe at Jeremiah Gibson.
Oh, you said describe though.
Oh, yeah, you know what I mean. Alright, jump your bikes. No! I should have ran. Should have knocked on the front door and kept my bike right there.
You should have ran back there.
Yeah.
Bruh, first we gotta check with one of them in the kitchen because it's not gonna be good.
I'm going through here.
Alright, he about to go in the front yard.
Not yet, though.
Alright, we gotta be very quiet, y'all. Ooh, ooh. Y'all, we gotta be very quiet. Because they know we outside, but they don't know we doing this, though. Oh my God, get low. He about to knock. Huh? No. already did that. I already did it. I'm tired. What's she doing?
I know you guys your toes out.
Bruh. I think they know it's us. What do you think?
I think they do too. We're not gonna stop.
Until they get aggravated.
Yep.
What's this window to?
Huh?
This to Liz window.
Yes.
This to Liz window.
Got 'em.
Y'all, this window is to my sister's room.
Y'all not fast. I see you here.
We're gonna have to end this prank off, y'all. Is he breaking it? Is it broke? Wait, no. I think he's about to break my bike.
Yeah, in the brain.
Yeah, it's about to be ended, y'all. Because he went way too far. Go ahead.
It's a fucking prank, bitch.
Why are you trying to break our bike?
I ain't trying to break you. I just put it back here. Who you talking to?
You, Frank, nigga.
Bitch ass up, I'll crack your top head.
Okay, now it's just a prank, bro. Bro, what is wrong with you?
Huh?
Okay, y'all. Missy guys.
You want to talk, John?
Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want some more pranks. We got
They
y'all.
really didn't prank because I know it was them.
We got y'all. Yeah, we out.
It wasn't a